Hello people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I decided to go for this look. It's a very neutral date look that I have created for you all. If you want to know how I achieved it, please keep on watching, and I've mentioned the name of the products in the description box below. And without any further ado, let's start the video. So I'll start with this Face Shop emulsion. I'll apply it all over my face properly. And for the primer, I'm gonna go in with this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and I'll apply it on the areas where I have large pores. So first I'm gonna color correct my acne scars, and for that I'm using this flat brush. I'll first apply 2 to 3 pumps of the makeup fixer and go in with this color corrector palette that is from Maybelline. I'll use the orange one. And very gently I'm gonna dab it on the areas where I have dark spots. You can apply this color corrector on the areas where you have pigmentation. As you can see that I'm applying it under my eyes because I have a bit of dark circles. So to neutralize it, I'll first color correct and then apply the concealer. For the foundation, as you can see that I'm using the L'Oreal one. I'll mention the shade in the description box below. I'll take 2 to 3 pumps of it and then apply it with a damp beauty blender. For today's look, I'm going in with this NYX HD concealer, and I'm not gonna go overboard with this. I'll only apply it under my eyes, and I'll make sure that it looks as natural as it can. And I'm telling you guys, blending is the only way to get that flawless base. So I'm gonna blend it with the same beauty blender. And to fix it all, I'm gonna use this compact from Rimmel Stay Matte, and with a very fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Once I've applied the compact, I'm gonna spray 2 to 3 pumps of makeup fixer to make sure that the base doesn't move all day, and I'll let it sit for a few minutes and then I'll jump into the next step. I'll fill in the sparse area with this NYX eyebrow mascara. I want this makeup to be very neutral, so I'm using this mascara, and then I'll shape my eyebrows very lightly with a Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Now for the eye makeup, I'm going to use this Nykaa eyeshadow palette. I'll first go in with a transition shade that will be very light. So I'm going to use this mustard one. With a very fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply it all over my crease, and then I'll shape my eyes with a brown matte eyeshadow. So this is what I'm gonna use for the outer V of my eyes. Just make sure that you are blending it really properly, and you can intensify as per your preference. So for me, this much is good. I'm good to go with this much. I'll go ahead and use the same shade for my lower lash line as well, and I'll only cover the outer part of my lower lash line, not the inner corners. You can see how I'm applying it, so that it gives that shape to your eyes and your eyes looks much more lifted out. Now for the crease, I'm going in with this shimmery shade. This is my favorite shade from this palette. And for the waterline, I'm going in with this nude Wet n Wild Kohl. I literally feel that applying a nude kohl and curling up my lashes open up my eyes so well, so I always do it in regular basis as well. And now for the mascara, I'm going in with this NYX one. Now it's time to bronze your face, and for that I'm using this Wet n Wild bronzer. Now, as I said, that blending is the only key, so I'm gonna blend it really properly. And once I'm done, I'm gonna go in with the blush. For today's look, I'm going in with a Nykaa blush, and this is the one I'm gonna use. I have this habit of dabbing the Damn Beauty blender once I have applied the blush and the bronzer so that it looks put together. So I'm gonna just dab it very lightly and then I'll apply the highlighter. So for the highlighter, I'm going to use this Maybelline one, and I'll apply it on the higher points of my face. Alright, so the last step, that is to apply the lipstick. I'm gonna go in with a very nude shade that is from Maybelline Creamy Matte range, and the name of the shade is Clay Crush. And ta-da, this is the final look. This is how I created this nude date makeup look for you all, and I feel that this is very apt for this summer season. Tell me how you feel about it, comment me below, and if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I'm with the name Beauty Bonanza Blogs. I'll mention the link to my Instagram handle in the description box below. And yeah, if you like this video, you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye-bye.